In the modern world, automotive gadgets and accessories have become increasingly diverse and innovative, catering to the varied needs of drivers. From advanced dash cams and parking assistance devices to emergency tools and entertainment accessories, these products are designed to enhance safety, convenience, and enjoyment during your driving experience. This article introduces a range of notable products, such as the Lanmodo Vast Pro with its superior night vision capabilities, the Autovox TW1, a truly wireless backup camera, and the Vantrue N4, a 3-channel dash cam. Additionally, you'll discover emergency support tools, efficient car interior cleaning solutions, and other creative devices. Let's explore these remarkable innovations to elevate your journey and make your car ride safer and more comfortable. Autovox TW1. Unlike most backup camera systems you've come across, the Autovox TW1 is a truly wireless kit with an optional solar panel. The package includes two main components, the camera and the monitor, along with essential accessories like a mounting bracket, a 12-volt power cable, a USB cable, and a suction cup. The 115-degree wide-angle camera is housed in a cylindrical casing with a built-in 33-inch 50mAh battery and is IP68 rated for durability. The monitor is a compact 5-inch LCD with 720p resolution and is designed to be placed on the dashboard for optimal visibility. One of the best things about the Autovox TW1 is its simplicity. Once the camera is installed on the back of your car, usually above or below the license plate, it's ready to use. The camera sends a video feed wirelessly to the monitor. The solar charger is essential unless you want to remove the camera for battery recharging. For the initial setup, the camera needs to be charged via USB for several hours. Utra Jumpstarter J-Star 3. The J-Star 3 by Utra is a reliable vehicle jumpstarter with a 20,000 milliliter-ish capacity, capable of jumpstarting up to a 7.0-liter gasoline engine or a 6.5-liter diesel engine. When it comes to jump starters, battery capacity isn't the most crucial specification. The key factor is the device's ability to deliver a high instant current. The J-Star 3 delivers 1600 A of peak current, enough to safely start most 12-volt vehicles. It also features built-in protections against electrical hazards like overcurrent, reverse polarity, overvoltage, and more. Thanks to its large capacity, the J-Star 3 doubles as a power bank with 2 USB output ports and a flashlight with 3 modes. Moji-Pick. The creators of Moji-Pick seem to have designed the product primarily for fun, but it also doubles as a practical safety accessory. Essentially, Moji-Pick is a smartphone-connected digital window sign with 1024 LEDs, 32 by 32 resolution. It connects to your phone via Bluetooth and is controlled through the Moji-Pick app, available on both the App Store and Google Play. The app offers over 1,500 pre-made GIFs, smileys, sports logos, flags, and other emoticons. Users can also create their own designs for display. The LEDs emit 6,000 CD brightness, ensuring visibility even in bright sunlight. While the device seems primarily entertainment-focused, it can serve business purposes, such as displaying messages for taxi or Uber drivers. Moji-Pick is powered by an 8200 mAh lithium polymer rechargeable battery. Lanmodo Vast Pro. If you often drive at night or travel through dark, quiet areas, having night vision capabilities can be incredibly helpful. While high-beam headlights can illuminate the road ahead, they often fall short in providing sufficient visibility and peace of mind. The Lanmodo Vast Pro might be the device you're looking for. This is a dash cam with night vision that extends up to 300 meters ahead. Inside the box, you'll find the camera itself, a 12-volt power plug, an OBD adapter, a base mount, a suction cup, and a screwdriver. If you opt for the additional rear camera, the package will also include the camera and a connecting cable. The Lanmodo Vast Pro uses a Sony CMOS sensor to capture 1080p resolution videos with its 5-megapixel camera. In addition to night vision, the Vast Pro features loop recording, G-sensor detection, and parking mode. Its memory card can store up to 28 hours of footage or 14 hours when using the rear camera. Vantrue N4. For serious dash cam users, a typical recording device mounted on the windshield or rear window might not be enough. You need a high-definition device that provides live footage from all angles. And that's where the Vantrue N4 comes in. This 3-channel audio-video recording device features 3 cameras: front, interior, and rear. Each camera serves a specific purpose with varying viewing angles. The front camera records 1440p resolution video with a 155-degree viewing angle. The rear camera captures 1080p video at 160 degrees, and the interior camera provides a 165-degree angle with 1080p resolution. When used without the rear camera, the front camera's video quality improves to 1520p, making it clear enough to capture license plates. The N4 is powered by a supercapacitor instead of a lithium battery, making it suitable for extreme temperatures ranging from 14 degree F to 158 degree F. It supports memory cards of up to 256 GB. Digital side view monitors. In 2018, Lexus, the luxury division of Toyota, introduced the world's first digital side view monitors. These monitors function like traditional side mirrors by providing views of the rear, left, and right sides of the car. Unlike typical mirrors, the digital system uses cameras to replace conventional side mirrors. When the driver engages the reverse gear or activates turn signals, the cameras automatically extend the view, eliminating blind spots and helping the driver make safer maneuvers. Visibility at night is also significantly better compared to traditional mirrors.